Hey everyone, it's Mrs. LaCroix's. It has only been 2 days since I last showed you my garden, and a lot has changed since then, you might notice. So first off, I stuck my little seed packets in each row so that I would know what is growing where, because when I showed you last time and these were sprouting, I said that they were my bean seeds, but they're not my bean seeds. They were my tomato seeds. These are my bean seeds, and look at, they are starting to sprout. See them? They're just pushing up the dirt right now. You might be able to see it better from this way. Look, see, they're pushing up the dirt. See that? See how the dirt's kind of pushed up? I'm gonna go like this so you can see. See how they're actually pushing the dirt up so you can see it underneath there. They're pushing the dirt up and they're coming out. And look at, see, there's the bean seed. You can kind of recognize it. See, so this was what the seed looked like. And so you can kind of see that that seed is just opening up. And then over here are all of my zucchini. See, they're all starting to sprout too. Kind of see how they push up the dirt? And look, this is what the seed looked like. See, you recognize the seed is actually pushing up and opening up and forming a root. And then here's all those tomatoes that had started sprouting already. So a lot has happened in my garden in just 2 days. And look at how those tomatoes are still leaning to the side. See how they're all leaning? I think I'm gonna need to turn my seed tray around so that they don't end up all leaning over. And there's those yellow squash that are really starting to grow now too. So a lot is happening. My seeds are sprouting. I'll keep you posted to any more changes.